So we just finished building or rebuilding and repairing the top to our Lego. Giza. Right, Kai? Was a little bit broke. It actually broke quite a bit down to this point. So instead of referring to a manual, what we did is we figured it out based on the pattern. So this side was broken, and what we used is we used this side as a reference, which is one of the reasons why I love Legos, because it's a major problem solving engineering exercise. And if you just look really closely, you don't need a guide. You can see how this is structured and use this side to fix this side. So that's what we did. It was pretty cool. It took about 10 minutes and everything is repaired. You want to put it back on top now? Okay, put it back on top.
She's taking a picture with the other half.
And it is good as new. Right, Bebe? Good job. High five. Good job. Let's go.